The second is a new campus at Amravati, and we are calling it the AI Plus Hub for Tomorrow. So we are getting ready to set up a new facility at Amravati in Andhra Pradesh, and we see it as a bold step to transform higher education in India. This campus will be a hub for innovation and interdisciplinary learning, focused on AI, emerging technologies, and industry collaboration. It will bridge academic excellence with real world application, nurturing leaders, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers. We want our young minds, the brightest minds from the country, to have all the knowledge they can possibly get in the classroom on all the dominant technologies of our time. With global partnerships, cutting edge programs, and a dynamic learning environment, it aims to shape the next generation of talent for India and for the world. So, for example, just to give you some instances, undergrad programs, regular and twinning programs. Twinning programs would mean 2 years in Amravati and 2 years in a university overseas with specialization in, like I said, the dominant technologies of today: AI, data science, ML, robotics, computational linguistics, and LLMs, cyber physical systems with AI. And all of this comes with industry internships, cross-disciplinary electives, and dual degree options. Also, for example, joint PhDs with international universities in areas like generative AI, smart cities, and AI for healthcare. 2-year degree programs including MTech in AI ML, MSc in AI-driven innovation, so on and so forth. So basically, that campus will cater to, or rather focus on, all the dominant technologies that all of us know about today. And we think it's important that our young minds that will lead the India of tomorrow be not just conversant, but know in depth what these technologies are about and the impact that they can have on our world. About this new campus at Amravati, it will be built to have 7,000 students over 2 phases. Emphasis on green buildings, renewable energy systems. It will be a digital-first campus operation. The operations will be digital first.